Let me tell you the story about how all this got started. I was called out on a routine job to inspect an old abandoned mental facility before it gets torn down. We gotta go in and make sure all the gas is turned off and there's no hobos living in the basement or anything like that. Everything was going standard, everything was just fine, when I stumbled upon something weird. Some kind of book. I don't know. Man, that's... I don't know what that is. Hey, Joe! So I brought it home because I wanted to see what this old book was about. And when I opened it up, it revealed to me the secrets of the cult of sugar.